If you got some problems, we'll be there to solve them. We're a squad who can do the job. We're a squad who can do the job. If a monster is in trouble, we'll be there on the double. We're the squad who can do the job. We're the squad who can do the job. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Squad. The Monster Math Horrific, totally terrific, horribly horrific Monster Math Squad.
Sneeze freeze!
1,
2!
3.
Goo, it's not polite to talk with your mouth full.
Sorry, Lily. That scream screen always surprises me. I like surprises.
The Scream Screen! Oh, somewhere in Monstrovia, there's a monster in need. And whenever a monster needs our care,
The Monster Math Squad will be there.
It's Abominable Fridge Monster!
Hi, Abominable Fridge Monster.
Hi, Monster Math Squad.
Abominable Fridge Monster always has a cold.
I don't mind. It's absolutely all right. I'm a fridge after all.
Hey, why is there food on the floor? Shouldn't it be inside of you keeping cold?
Yes, Lily, that's the problem. I keep sneezing the food right out of me.
well, that's not good.
No, Max, it isn't. Today, I'm having a picnic with Cranky Pants Monster, and all this food is for the picnic. If I keep sneezing it out, the food will be ruined.
We're on our way, Abominable Fridge Monster!
Please hurry.
We need to help Abominable Fridge Monster keep the food for the picnic from falling out of him. I'm sure we can use Monster Math to do that.
Yeah! Monster Math can solve any problem.
Because Monster Math is everywhere.
Hey, will you join the Monster Math Squad on the job?
Join the squad. Join the squad.
You will? Yes! First, we need the secret monster math word that will help us get the job done.
Word Monster.
Today's secret monster math word is full.
Next time you see Word Monster and hear him squawk, shout out the secret monster math word with us to make something math amazing happen!
Full.
Not yet, Goo. Wait until you see Word Monster again.
Oh. Okay, Lily.
Come on, Monster Math Squad! Let's go help Abominable Fridge Monster stop sneezing out all his food!
Hi, Abominable Fridge Monster.
Sorry. Hello. See? I used to be completely full of food, but now I'm just...
Uh-oh. Duck.
I'm not full anymore.
There, all full again.
Thanks, but is my nose lit up?
No?
Then I'm not completely full. My nose lights up when I'm completely full.
How do we make Abominable Fridge Monster full?
Did you see Word Monster? That means we all need to shout the secret monster math word, full. Are you ready? Let's shout it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, full!
Look, it worked. A monster math monitor.
An empty closet. Nothing in it. Such a lonely place. Here come little monsters, filling up the space. Now the closet is all full. Be careful not to fall. Whoops! Now the closet's empty again. Nothing in it at all. Little monsters climb back in. The closet's full once more. Another monster. No more room. Better shut the door.
Thanks, Math Monitor. Now we know all about full and empty. full is when there's lots of things inside, and empty is when there's nothing inside.
And since full and empty are math words, let's do
Monster
math! Well, there's some food in here, but not lots of food. There must be more food to put in.
Is there any more food anywhere, abominable fridge monster?
Well,
It's okay, it's okay. You don't have to answer that. Whoa! Missed me!
Got me.
Whoa! That food really went far.
I bet the other food must have gone far, too. Let's go find it, squad. I found some.
Me too.
Here's some food.
There, we put the food back in. Do you think Fridge Monster is full now?
Well, let's check his nose. Is it lit up? You're right. It's not. I guess he's not full.
But there's so much food in him. How can he not be full?
Did you just see word monster? Then let's shout the secret monster math word, full, together again on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, full!
Look, a monster math monitor.
4 monsters in a photo booth. It's completely full, you see. Out they fall on the floor. The booth is now empty. 3 monsters climb back in. There's still some empty space. Where's the other monster to help fill up the place? Oh, there he is. Monster 4, up to the top he'll climb. The space is gone. The booth is full. It's picture-taking time.
Thanks, Math Monitor. Now we know that something is completely full when there is no empty space left at all.
So, are there any empty spaces left in Fridge Monster? You're right! Some empty space! So that means Abominable Fridge Monster isn't full yet.
We have to put more food in.
But we found all the food there was to find.
Well, something must be missing. But what?
Hey, what's this lid for?
that looks like the lid for my pitcher of slime muck punch.
I don't see any pitcher in here, Fridge Monster.
Oh no! My slime muck punch pitcher is missing?
Okay, just don't panic.
We need to go find it. But how can we make sure no more food flies out while we're gone? Oh, I know! There's some tape! Let's tape his door closed for now while we go find the slime punch. That way things will stay in when he sneezes.
Hey, good thinking, Lily. Ha, it worked! Now let's find that runaway pitcher. What's this?
Slime Muck Punch Globs! It's a trail! I bet if we follow it, we'll find the pitcher. Let's go!
Huh, the trail ends here.
But where's the slime muck pitcher?
I don't know, Goo. I don't see it. Do you? You see it? Where? Oh, there it is. Thanks. Abominable Fridge Monster is missing you.
I know, I'm so sorry. But don't make me go back in there. I'll just get sneezed out again. I got rattled so much the last time I flipped my lid.
Here's your lid, little buddy.
Oh, thanks.
Aw, you've got to go back, Pitcher. What's a picnic without Slime Muck Punch?
I know, but look at me. I got nothing in me. I'm all empty.
Well, we know all about empty and full, right, squad? And we know how to make you full again.
You do? How?
We just need to find more slime muck and pour it into you until there's no space left.
Where can we find slime muck in Monstrovia?
The Slime Muck Well! Okay, let's put some slime muck in this bucket and then pour it into the pitcher until it's full. Is it full yet? Let's see. Is there any space left?
There is, so it's not full yet. Let's keep pouring.
How about now? You're right. There's still space left. Not full yet. Let's keep pouring.
Now? Yes! There's no space left! It's full!
Oh, thank you. I'm feeling better already.
Great! Let's get this pitcher back inside Abominable Fridge Monster so the picnic can begin. Okay, Fridge Monster. We've put the pitcher full of slime muck punch inside you. Do you feel full?
Well, I feel full, but what's my nose doing?
Yes, your nose is lit up. Completely full and ready for the picnic.
I can't thank you enough, Monster Math Squad.
Have a great picnic, Abominable Fridge Monster.
Hey, Mr. Cranky Pie. Hey, Mr. Cranky Pie.
Phew! Oh, that was lucky.
Ha! Lucky! Let's eat! I'm hungry, and being hungry makes me cranky.
Everything makes Mr. Cranky Pants Monster cranky.
Way to go, Monster Math Squad! We helped Abominable Fridge Monster make a great picnic. And we did it by knowing all about full. That deserves a great big monster howl on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Howl!
We did the math! We did the monster math!